Good afternoon, everybody. Welcome to Proformance Unlimited. What we have on the test stand here is one of our 450 horsepower 383 Chevy Strokers. This one happens to have the Holley Snipper system on here. Engine came out gorgeous. This is painted the Chevy red. Has Edelbrock heads on it. And we got a hydraulic roller cam in this. Anything we can help you with, give us a call. We'll be happy to put something together for you. Enjoy the video. All right, Richard, I got your 69 Chevy Camaro engine here on the dyno. Happens to be our 383 Chevy Stroker. Gonna fire it up, give you a run demo. For starters.